Hello, and welcome to the Cryptocurrency News channel. This is going to be a recap of the latest stream. If you want to join me in my stream, the link and description is in the comments and description below. So let's actually get started with this. There's a new 3D game called Vulcanize on Vechain. It's going to use NFT tokens to actually represent game assets. And yes, it is going to be like Mana, where everything can actually be sold and bought. So there's a built-in in-game economy. Let me remind you that Tron has one of the highest transactions per day out of any project. Not because Tron's like super awesome or anything, but because Tron actually has a bunch of crappy gambling apps. And Mana's game actually has gotten pretty damn popular. So the thing is, like, this can actually result in a lot of Vitho transactions because the entire game is run on Vitho. So that would actually make players of the game hold VET to generate Vitho to actually fund their in-game activities, and that could be really good for us because that could push up the price of VET, which is what we all want. So I'm hoping that this game gets really big. There's definitely not any guarantee. There's going to be a lot of competition in this area. Mana is out first, and there's probably several other games that are actually on the way that could possibly compete with this game. And based on what I see right now, the game doesn't look all that impressive, but then again, Mana didn't look all that impressive either, and it's actually quite popular. So if obviously these games have a built-in economy with it, and because of that built-in economy, players are going to be more wanting to play it because they can actually earn real money playing this game, and that is a big, big incentive. So let's all hope that this Vulcanized game, if you're interested in gaming, check it out, can actually do very well. And usually, like, the people who get in early on that game can actually make money playing that game. So that is the news for Vechain. Bitwise is introducing a 401k for Bitcoin. So this is an industry first, and it comes at the exact right time because this basically comes, this essentially comes as Bitcoin, as the PPP plan or the Payment Protection Program for small companies actually kicks into gear. One of the requirements is that you actually have to provide, like, retirement benefits and stuff like that. They can't go with a traditional 401k plan because of cost or whatever. They can actually look at Bitwage for their 401k plan. And if this becomes really popular because of this PPP thing and how they're working with it, this honestly could spread out into retirement and 401k portfolios, and that's trillions of dollars. Even a very, very small chunk of that could really skyrocket cryptocurrencies. So this is something to really watch. A 401k based around Bitcoin, that could really impact the price of Bitcoin. So Facebook Libra has rebranded into Novi. That's probably because they want to get rid of that bad taste in their mouth from all the regulation stuff. And they wanted to rebrand it because it actually does have new functionality. It can actually work with any stablecoin. So if, like, Libra goes kaput, they could actually use it for other things. So Facebook is protecting themselves as well and saying that we have an asset regardless if Libra works or not. Obviously, they want to use it for Libra. So Facebook has rebranded Calibra into Novi. So hopefully people will actually forget the failures of regulation that Facebook actually has had now that they've actually rebranded. At least that's what they're hoping. So that is the news for today. Let me know what you think. Like and subscribe. Hit that bell notifications button. Thank you and have a nice day.